Hey bestie boos, what is up? Welcome to another video. So tomorrow I'm going on a little trip. It's just my grandparents' place. We go there all the time. You've probably seen a ton of vlogs if you just look on my channel. But I am driving me and my sister there because I don't know, she just wants to come with me. Anyways, so I have a lot of shiz I got to do today. I need to pack. I need to make some scrunchies because my cousin's going up there and she gave me one of her daughter's old school dresses to turn into scrunchies so they can wear to school, and I haven't done it. So like I need to do that before we go see them. And I also need to edit so that I have videos going up while I'm away. And did I leave this all to the last minute? Yes, I did. Because I have to do that all today. And it is almost 12 o'clock and I have work at 5. That is 5 hours. Well, less than 5 hours because I need to count up travel time. Like, girl, what do I start with? I don't know. I reckon I start with the scrunchies because, like, I've been putting that off. And if I don't do it, I just won't do it. So let's do the scrunchies first. So this is the school dress and now I gotta chop it up. Okay, so I've been making a TikTok for my like business page TikTok, not that I really post anything on there. So that's why I didn't film anything, but I'm like halfway done. I've got 2 ones to make large ones and 2 ones to make mini ones, and then I have a bunch left over. So if I want to, I want to try out making like little hair bow things, but I'm not going to do that until later on. The scrunchie is the main priority at the moment. And yeah, I need to like get the sewing machine and stuff out, but I really don't want to do that. So I'm gonna make myself some lunch and then we're gonna probably start packing to go away. Alrighty y'all, so the first thing I'm gonna pack is my makeup and my toiletry bag. So that way I know I have everything. So like, in like that regards, because the outfits part takes the longest. So I don't even know where to put you. But I'm gonna try and do my makeup and that. And I don't know, because I have this like little makeup bag, but this barely fits this doesn't even fit my everyday makeup. So I don't know what to do. Fun. Alright, I'm gonna give you a little haul of what I'm bringing in regards to like hygiene and my makeup and stuff. So first of all, I got some makeup wipes. I don't really know, they're gonna go in a bag or something. And then I have a fresh deodorant. Well, it's not really fresh, I have used it like a few times. But I'm gonna take this one. This is my favorite deodorant of all time. Then this is my like toiletry bag that I got. I've got some dry shampoo because probably gonna need it. I grabbed my Mario Badescu spray. What else do we have? I have some shampoo. This one lives in this bag. Like if I'm on the go somewhere, I have this already pre-packed. I just grab it and go. So that's why it's been used up a bit. I then have mouthwash, floss, toothpaste, toothbrush. I think I'm also going to bring my water flosser, so that means I have to get that all packed up in here too, because I love my water flosser. Like that's my favorite one. Anyways, then I also grabbed a body lotion. I hope it smells good, and I haven't opened it. It's just part of my stash. I got this hand cream that just lives in there. It's honestly just so I might use it. And then I also have this eye cream stuff, which I've been using like every single day recently. It's really good because you know, Thai girls need to still look hot. And then lastly, my little travel size skincare. Honestly, so cute. And I probably should say this for when I'm like going on a plane, but I'm not, because it's just too cute and it will expire. I have a cleanser. It's just a little paper cleanser, a little gel one. I love gel cleansers. Then I have a little baby moisturizer, which also has a little bit of sunscreen in it. So that's cute. I have a little mask. It's a little mask. And then I have a dot treatment. Rapid relief spot treatment. And they're all little mini ones and they're so cute. But that's everything I have in this, which I think I might also add my water flosser, which honestly, best thing ever. Anyways, then I have this bag which I filled with my makeup brushes. So I don't really know if you care like what. They're just makeup. It's literally just a bunch of makeup brushes, which I filled this little. I did not wake up like this, so my brushes can be separated. And then I'm bringing 2 perfumes with me. I'm gonna bring this Bane Vanilla Victoria's Secret one. Love this, smells so good. And then I'm also gonna bring my travel size Playboy one, which that smells really good. Alright, now on to the makeup part. I'm gonna bring my current foundation and concealer. I'm gonna need to get a new one because I'm pretty sure these are almost out, which sucks because they're really good. I'm bringing a brow pencil and this brow tint, even though it's not a tint. Do not listen to Kmart or specifically OXX Studios. It's not a brow tint, it comes off, like it doesn't tint your brows. But I like using it recently because my brows are tinted. And this is like the color that I got them tinted, so like they look good at the moment. I have an eyeliner pencil, which I literally only use this on my waterline. My blush. This is by Skin 02, if you're wondering. Not anyone probably cares. I'm gonna bring this Taleasha palette because I use the bronzer that's in the middle, and then I use this black to do my like eyeliner thing that I have going on. I'm gonna be bringing 2 mascaras because this is for like your lower lashes and I really like it, and then this Tarte one, which is not waterproof because I'm trying to I'm gonna be wearing makeup every day. I don't want to get clumpy, and then waterproof mascara just doesn't come off. If you know how to take my waterproof mascara off, love to know. What else do I have? I have this lip balm. If you've seen any of my videos, you know this is my favorite. I have a setting spray. I'm bringing this mini palette. It's got these colors in it, and then sometimes I do use eyeshadow for my brows. I'm gonna use this center one and see how that works. So hopefully it looks like it'd be a match for how they're tinted at the moment. I'm taking 2 highlighters because I'm insane and I love makeup. This is my one I've been using every day recently. Love it. But then I'm also gonna take this one just in case I want to experiment because it's got like a little bit of a purple glow. You probably can't see. It kind of like shifts between purple instead of just being like shimmery. And then my lip products. Okay, I don't know exactly what I'm doing, but I want to have like hot girl winter vibes. So I'm gonna bring my everyday that I do, which is this coral lip stick, and I just put a tiny bit on, and then I'm like, blah, 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 blah. I'll do a tutorial of my everyday makeup suit, I promise. And then this gloss, and then I'm also gonna be bringing my lip injection stuff, and then this like darker one because I like how it looks. It's really pretty. But yeah, that's all the makeup, and now I need to figure out where I'm actually gonna put that makeup, like what I'm gonna put that makeup in, because I don't have a makeup bag to put them in. Yeah. Okay, y'all, I just grabbed a whole bunch of clothes, chucked them in a pile. I don't even know if there's outfits or what. I was just like, I like this, I like that, and then just chucked it all here. So now I'm gonna sort through it and see if I have any outfits or like if I need more clothes or what. Alrighty, so I've like packed things. I do not have any underwear in that bag, which is really bad. I should probably find some underwear. Or socks or like anything like that kind of in there. So I need to still do that. But I only have 2 shirts in there and I don't feel like 2 shirts is enough. So I really feel like I need to get another shirt, but like, oh, what shirt is that? I don't know. And then obviously tomorrow I need to pack my chargers, my laptop, and that kind of stuff. But I feel like everything else is packed. As far as I know, everything else is packed. I think everything else is packed. I'm just like having a scan around the room. You know, double checking. I've packed everything. Oh shit, I haven't taken that money out of my car. I gotta remember to do that. I think I've packed everything. It probably will turn out that I haven't. But I have a feeling I have. I have a lot of anxiety when packing. But yeah, I have to clean my bed off so I can go to bed. So yeah, this video might be really short because I don't actually remember filming very much. But thank you guys for watching and love you all. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. So you can stay tuned for my all my travel videos. So excited. I don't know if I should vlog my road trip tomorrow because like my sister's gonna be in the car and like, I mean, she's pretty chill about it all, but like, you know what I mean. Anyways, everything's linked below. Go check everything out, all my socials and whatnot, and yeah, bye besties. Mwah.